what up, your girl Dying Peace? I just want to thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. While you're here though, do me a couple of favors. Go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed and go ahead and click that bell. Yep, it looks just like this. That notification bell will give you notifications on future video drops from yours truly. So this video is going to be a fun video because I'm going to show you how to get unready with me. And I'm super excited because I'm adding something new to my routine. It's from Duvolle and it's their Radiance Spin Care System. It comes with 4 interchangeable accessories, a facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. Info about each interchangeable accessory. The face exfoliating brush deeply cleanses and exfoliates, may minimize the look of pores, helps improve the appearance of skin texture while enhancing your skin's ability to absorb skincare treatments. So one of my favorites, the large body cleansing and exfoliating brush, removes dead skin cells from your knees, arms, elbows. It's even great before self-tanning and back acne. And the gentle face cleansing brush. It gently cleanses and removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores by eliminating deep-seated dirt to reveal radiant-looking skin. And a pumice stone attachment is an effective tool for softening rough skin on your feet, elbows, and heels, as well as removing calluses or hard, dead, and dry skin. The Radiance Spin Care System also comes with an instruction packet that I highly suggest you read before using. The Radiance Spin Care System, it's cordless, water-resistant face brushes, designed for use in the shower, and it operates for months on 4 AA batteries. The spinning massaging motion of the brush offers superior cleansing, removing dirt, oil, and makeup, much more effective than cleansing with soap and water alone. And you guys, just a heads up, you will have to purchase your own AA batteries. Super easy to put in. The instruction packet tells you how to do that. All you do is you just just letting you know now, so go ahead and get your AA batteries. Remember to get 4 so you can be ready when your Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System comes in the mail. So I just love how God works. So I've always wanted to try a spin care system on my face because there's only like so much that just washing your face with soap can do, even exfoliating. So you need something to kind of get into those pores, you know, getting rid of that makeup or residue that sometimes makeup wipes can't get. You know, after you're done washing your face and moisturizing, you head down and you're like, oh my gosh, I still have makeup on. Like I can still feel a little bit of mascara or eyeliner on. So just something extra to kind of get it off, and just something that's really going to help get rid of those dead skin cells. This is why I was so excited about receiving the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System, because it's for your whole body. You literally have to buy separate systems to do those. This does everything: your face, your skin, your feet, your legs, your entire body. All right, so let's get unready. The first part of my routine is taking off my makeup. So let's start with the lashes. This can like feel really good at the end of a long day. And now I remove my makeup with a makeup wipe. So fresh and so clean, almost. So normally I would just go straight into cleansing, but I'm adding the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System to my routine. So we're gonna go ahead and cleanse with the cleansing brush. Super easy to attach. All right, it comes with an on and off button. This turns it on, and that turns it off. You can see here. All right, let's put the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System to work. So to cleanse, I'm using Badescu's Enzyme Cleansing Gel. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I'm getting a massage at a spa. Oh my gosh, this feels so good, you guys. So my skin type is oily, and I really get oily in my forehead, pretty much the T-zone, and then also down my nose. So this is just really good. I feel like it's getting in those pores. And then also in this area, like near my smile lines and my chin, it's a combination of oily and then dry, like around my smile lines area. So I feel like I really need deep cleansing in that area to keep it nice and smooth. So it's able to take my hydration products, and it's super gentle all over my face, even in the eye area. So let's go ahead and get that forehead, get that forehead. So good. Get in there, get in there. All right.
Loud Astro.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I gotta show you this. Look. Can you see that? That's all the makeup that I thought I got off that I didn't. Oh my gosh, so we gotta do some more. So let me rinse this off and I'll be right back. Nice and clean. So we're gonna do another spin with Duvolle's Radiance Spin Care System. So now I'm applying more of my Badescu Enzyme cleansing gel to get that unwanted makeup, dirt, anything left on my skin. Getting all that out of there, it's getting into my pores. Because once again, if you still have product, you know, in your pores and on your skin, then it makes it hard for your skincare products to really take, and for your skin to really absorb your skincare products, your serums, your face creams, your eye creams. So I want to make sure to invest in getting your very own Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System, so you can be out here radiant, ladies and fellas. I could just feel the blood flow circulating, keeping my skin nice and detoxified and healthy. But I gotta go to the next step to show you guys. All right, so now we are done cleansing. Go ahead and remove. And now we're gonna go ahead and attach the exfoliation brush. So I did notice that the face brushes are not labeled. So how I tell which one's for exfoliation is it's darker in color and there's more texture. And then the cleansing brush is more lighter in color and softer. All right, so now that my brush is on, it is time to exfoliate. I'm actually just gonna exfoliate with water. You can put your favorite exfoliating scrub onto the Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System. All right, so let's go ahead and exfoliate. Kind of feel the texture that's in this brush versus the cleansing brush. So still feels good and gentle on the skin, but because it has a little bit more texture, I'm not kind of like holding it as close as I did the cleansing brush. Definitely more texture in this particular brush, the exfoliating brush. So make sure you're gentle with using this one. It doesn't hurt. I can literally feel it like smoothing my skin. I'm kind of doing upward motions to kind of help with blood circulation. Hey, now that I'm done exfoliating, I'm gonna go ahead and tone with Badescu's Witch Hazel and Rosewater toner. So I have textured skin, and like right now, I haven't even moisturized yet. My skin feels like really, really soft. I'm feeling this Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System, and it's definitely going into the routine. So I want to finish my entire routine so you can see the finished look. I'm gonna hydrate with the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. And now I'm gonna hydrate under the eye with Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. Now we're gonna moisturize with IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep. And then last but not least, I love hydrating my lips with Glaze Over Gloss's Vegan Lip Gloss. It's packed with vitamin E, jojoba oil, and castor oil to keep your lips hydrated all night. Period. Oh yes, I am feeling the results from using my Duvolle Spin Care System, and I know you're gonna love it too, so that's why I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I want you to get your very own Duvolle Spin Care System. It retails for $95, but Dime Piece got the hookup. Use my code and receive 70% off. It's DJ70, all right? You're gonna get 70% off. It retails for $95. You're gonna leave out with it for $28.50. So log on now to Duvolle.com. Thank you so much, Duvolle. It was a pleasure reviewing your skincare system. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you can get alerts on my next video.